so we're going to remove the OEM gas cap and then replace it with a TWM gas cap that I bought. So the first thing is I want to open it and just make sure I understand how this all comes together. Okay, so this is a small screw over there. All right, now this thing doesn't come with a whole lot of directions, but this is the cap that I bought, TWM Special. I'm gonna put a link down. And I did a little bit of pre-assembly. It comes with these spacers. So the screw goes in from here. And then you have the spacer, and then you have O-rings. There's like an O-ring here, over there, and over there. Looks like that's just there to hold the spacers in place. And so the long spacers kind of makes sense. This is the front of the bike, is this. And you'll see that this guy here, over there, and over there will require those long spacers. So that makes sense. Long spacer, long spacer, long spacer. Screw with a nut, that's my guess. So I'm just going to leave the washer over there and tighten up these three, and then we'll place it on top of the gas cap. And take the next step. The screws with the nut. There was two screws with a nut, and I was provided with two washers, so I'm assuming that's correct. And then this vent hose is provided that goes right into that vent hole over here, and the trick is to put this thing and cover the hole without kinking the tube. So let's do that. Okay, so I managed to get these placed properly, and now it's a matter of tightening these up. So I tighten them uniformly, a little bit there, a little bit here. And it's just these three screws that need to be tightened because these two have lock nuts on the other side. I'm using a 2.5mm Allen, but that's what it looks like. Okay, the main advantage of this is I can simply open this and fill in gas, and then once I fill in gas, you can it's covered. So that's the main advantage. I don't have to use the key, but what you're losing obviously is a little bit of security and safety in case there's a crazy guy out there who wants to open this and steal your gasoline, or God forbid put some crap in there. This is obviously vulnerable to that. So pretty much everything has pros and cons. I think I'm gonna like this a lot. I'm gonna put a link down to where I bought it from. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button.